How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we're going to be going over our Striker-8 MultiColor traffic advisor. When you get your unit out of the box, you'll have your Striker-8 going to your connection cables. Now you'll have your SIG plug here for power, and then you'll see a connector here, and this is to be used with our optional direct control. And then you'll see your aux cable here, where you can hook up to 10 amps of additional lighting all off of your direct control box. So let's get this unit hooked up to power and go over some of the functions. So I went ahead and connected my SIG plug to power here. Now today I am going to be using my optional direct control, so again that will plug in via connector here. Now on my direct control I have my power button, and then my warning mode button to activate my light bar in warning mode. And then I have my pattern changer, so I can cycle through my different flash patterns. I can find a pattern I'd like. And then this unit has memory recall, so you can shut your unit off and back on, and it will remember the last pattern it was on. And then you also have a couple flash pattern shortcuts here as well. So if you hold your pattern button down for 3 seconds, your light bar will activate its steady burn mode. And then if you hold your pattern button down for 5 seconds, your light bar will activate its random flash pattern mode. So you can easily access those two modes off of your flash pattern switch. And then you have your aux button here, where you can hook up to 10 amps of additional lighting all off of your direct control. Now let's go over your traffic advising features. Now since this is a multicolor model, when you activate your traffic advisor, your unit will go to amber. And on your direct control, you'll have your center out, your left right, and right left modes here. Now in your right left and left right modes, you have 6 flash patterns to choose from. So while you're in those modes, you can simply hit your pattern button and you'll see those flash patterns change. And again, you have 6 flash patterns to choose from here. And then finally, you have your slow and fast mode here, so you can decide if you want your light bar to flash in slow mode or fast mode while you're in traffic advising or warning mode. Now I did bring a red-blue unit with me today, but we offer these in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, in solid, half-half, and alternating color setups. And we even have our Customize a Light Bar tool, where you can lay out exactly what colors you want in your light bar as well. So I went ahead and attached my optional windshield visor here, and then you'll see our surface mount end caps as an option, and we do have the ability to weatherproof this unit if you need to exterior mount. And then we have our 90-degree suction cup bracket here, and this will attach to the slide track of the back of your unit, like so. And then you'll use 3 of our 90-degree suction cup brackets. And then we have our 360-degree suction cup bracket, and this will attach to the side of your unit with the replacement end cap, like so. And this bracket does rotate 360 degrees if you need to adjust for your vehicle. And this bracket also doubles as an L bracket as well. And then we have our static headliner bracket, and again you'll attach this to the back track of your unit like so, and you'll use 3 of our static headliner brackets. And then finally we have our adjustable headliner bracket, and the difference with this bracket is you can move your unit forwards or backwards if you need to adjust for your vehicle. And again, this will attach to the slide track on the back of your unit, and you'll use 3 of our adjustable headliner brackets. So you'll see that we have plenty of interior and exterior mounting options for your unit. So that covers all of the features of our Striker-8 MultiColor traffic advisor. Make sure to check out our interactive player right below the product pictures, and also our flash pattern video to see all of the flash patterns that are included with this unit. If you have any questions, give us a call or shoot us an email, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.